In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your OneDrive account. This procedure is simple and will allow you to access your files from anywhere, at any time, whether you're on the go or relaxing at home. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter if it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Whatever you're comfortable with will do just fine. Once your browser is up and running, direct it to Microsoft's official website. Microsoft's site has plenty going on, but today our goal is to get you into OneDrive. Now, keep your eyes peeled for the Sign In button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the page, thanks to Microsoft's clean and intuitive design. Once you spot it, give it a click, and you're on your way. Next, you'll see a prompt asking for your email address. This should be the one you used when you set up your OneDrive or Microsoft account. For those of you who have used other Microsoft services before, it might be the same email. Type it in carefully, ensuring there are no typos, and then click on the Next button. This step is simple yet crucial, as it confirms the email you've provided and takes you a step closer to accessing your account. Moving on, it's time to enter your password. Remember, passwords can be tricky since they are case sensitive, so make sure you enter it the exact way you set it up originally. Should you find yourself struggling to recall your password, fear not, there's usually an option to reset it. But for this tutorial, let's hope you don't have to go down that path. Once you've keyed in your password, click Next again. This action essentially tells Microsoft, "Hey, it's me, let me in." You might now be prompted by a screen asking if you want to stay signed in. If you're on your personal device, ticking Yes could be a time saver for future logins. But if you're on a shared or public computer, it might be more prudent to skip this for security reasons. With those steps completed, you should have access to Microsoft's suite of online services. Look for the All Microsoft drop-down menu or any similar link that directs you to explore all services. This is where it gets exciting. You're close to accessing your OneDrive. Within this menu or on the Services page, find and click on OneDrive. It's Microsoft's handy cloud storage solution. Once you click on OneDrive, you'll likely see another Sign In button. Though you're already logged into Microsoft, it's a necessary formality to specifically access OneDrive. Click it, and voila! In no time, you should find yourself on your OneDrive dashboard. Here, you can access, upload, and manage your files as you please, throughout your world. This is your new pivotal tool for organizing documents, photos, and other files, making them accessible from just about anywhere you are. And there you have it, folks, a few simple steps, and you're in. I hope this guide has been helpful for you in accessing your OneDrive account with ease.